Hey you guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am making spicy scrambled eggs. It's a quick lunch, dinner, any time of the day meal. It's really cheap for all the students out there, and it's really healthy as well. So I'm going to start with some sunflower oil, a tablespoon, and I'm going to put it in a hot pan. Let it become really hot, and then I'm going to add one very finely chopped or roughly chopped, my standards, onion, and then we are just going to cook it for 4-5 minutes. We just want it slightly colored. Next goes in a fiery hot chili, which is going to make it really nice and spicy. Next goes in one roughly chopped tomato into it. And what we're doing is cooking for another 2 minutes just to kind of break it down, soften it up. Next, break 4 large eggs into this bowl and just whisk it very quickly. Once it's whisked, we're going to add it to the pan, and as soon as it goes into a pan, you have to keep stirring it the whole time, which is what is going to make scrambled eggs, which by the way is also called bhurji in India, in Hindi, and bhurji just means scrambled. So so we're going to keep whisking it, mixing it, and just very quickly I'm going to add 1 small cube of butter to this as well. Just throw it into the mix, just keep mixing it, and when it's just about to kind of take some shape, I'm going to sprinkle a good pinch of salt, a good pinch of black pepper, and some chili flakes. I am going to add a handful of fresh coriander leaves. You can use dill, you can use chives, you can use other herbs if you want. I am sticking with coriander. And here it is, the spicy scrambled eggs, also known as anda bhurji, as we call it. So easy to make. There are no spices in it, but the heat comes from obviously that deadly chili that we've put in. You can, if you want, add some spinach towards the end, which will make it even healthier. And I am going to dig in because it is smelling incredible. The amount we've made today would easily serve 2 people. I am of course serving it on some sourdough. You can eat it on its own. You can put it in a wrap if you want. So simple. God, that got a kick to it. That green chili must have been hot. That has got a proper kick to it. So please do give this a go. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I will see you back in the kitchen next week for a brand new recipe. Till then, happy cooking!